Hello everybody, today I am going to make eco-friendly Ganesha with mud.
What we need to make this eco-friendly Ganesha?
We need clay and toothpicks and gloves. I make my Ganesha every year. Eco-friendly Ganeshas are good for nature. It's fun to make our own Ganesha. Now let's start making the Ganesha. First we need some clay and we need to squish it like this. Take help of grown-ups when your hands pain. This is base, these are the legs, this is the body, this is the hands, these are the ears, this is the trunk and this is the head. First take the base, you take the body, take the head, put it over here. Take the legs in your hand. Roll it. The second one. Now roll the hands. Now it is second. Keep the legs like this. You need to bend the feet like this. Now we need to put the hands like this. Now we need to put the left hand over here for the laddu and the right hand we need to left for the blessing. Now we need to wrap a little bit. We need to take the trunk. Now we need to put it over here. We need to bend it little like this. We need to pick the ears. We need to shape the ears little down. Apply some water to the both sides. Now put the ears both sides. Make 3 size rounds. The big one and make it flat. Take the second one and make it little smaller. Put a small circle on the top. Take a little toothpick and put it on the top. Two clouds for the eyes. The Ganesha teeth, put them gently. Now make small laddus. Now we will make Ganesha's mouse. We will make a tail. to wait for the Ganesha to dry before we decorate it. Draw some lines to decorate. The Ganesha is ready.